Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. So once again, I'm talking about Shiba Inu, guys. First of all, I want congratulations to all Shiba Inu holders. And after that, in this video, I'm talking about the holders' mistake. Shiba Inu holders doing a very big mistake. So I alert all of you to please don't do this mistake, guys. Absolutely, if you do this mistake, so you lose your money and waste, guys. So that's why don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. Guys, let's discuss more about this mistake. But first of all, I request everybody to please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more update videos about Shiba Inu, guys. If you subscribe ABS Tech channel, so ABS will guide you. ABS Tech channel will update you every hour from a new update about Shiba Inu, guys. So guys, you can see here that is the last 3 days price chart, and from last 2 days Shiba Inu start pumping, guys. You can see here from here. And there's good news for all of you guys that still, guys, Shiba Inu is in the pumping mood. 189% the price change is going positive in the market, guys. So you can see, guys, a lot of people like you can see here these two red candles, here these three red candles. So a lot of people doing a very big mistake that decide to sell Shiba Inu on this time, guys. So I personally, that's my personal opinion for all of you guys, especially for my viewers, those people who's following ABS Tech. So I recommend for all of you to please hold, just hold for a long time. Don't decide to sell. If you sell, so you will get a small profit, but if you hold for a long time, so I hope, guys, that you will get a huge profit, guys. And Robinhood, Elon Musk also promotes Shiba Inu. So if Elon Musk promotes, so I believe that for a long time Shiba Inu will continue this pump, guys. So please don't decide to sell, just hold, guys. I recommend holding. Anyways, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any crypto, any coin, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel.